In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create animated videos for free using a free AI tool you may not have heard about. So we're going to be animating basic text, and it's going to give us, an explainer video which we can use for any purpose. So simply come to Google and search for Adobe Express. And this is the free tool we're going to be using. Just click on it. Come here and then click on Get Adobe Express, choose your location, and create your free account. Now, in order for us to do this, we'll need to create a script. I already have a script which I've used for a previous video. I'm just going to open, choose one of the first sentences. I'm going to choose this. I'll copy that. And then you can put it into any text to any text to audio, any text to speech editor. Now, I don't want to bother you a lot with that. I want to show you the power of this. Now, simply come to video, click on video, and click on animate character. So click on that. Now it brings you to the screen. You can record your video and you have the ability to enhance your speech, or you can upload your text to speech or your voiceover. In my case, I want to record myself to make it more natural. So I want to look for one of these characters here. I could look for one of these characters. I'll use Seth, the young Seth. You could also change the background. You could also change the background to something else. Let's say this gateway. I think it kind of camouflages Seth. I could change it to something else. Let's say winter forest. Seth is in a winter forest. And I want to record myself. I'm going to record myself. So let's say I want to animate myself or my voice. I'm going to click on record. And I'm going to click on allow. It's asking to use my microphone. I'm going to click on allow. Hey, how are you doing? My name is Seth. I'm a YouTuber. I'm going to hit 10 million subscribers by the year 2027. You think I'm joking? Try me. I'll click on done. And it's going to take some time to analyze the audio and to apply it to this guy. Now that it's finished doing its stuff, you see it's uploading the media here. And I think it's almost done. I could click on this. Now you can hear that. So this is extremely good, but mind you, you have a maximum of 2 minutes and it should not be more than, I think, 1 gigabyte. So having done this, you can download this. You can download this, or you can also open this in the editor. You already have it. Don't mind. You are not going to lose anything. You already have it in your editor. If you have the Pro version, you can remove the background from here. You can also reduce or increase the opacity. You can also reduce the volume. You can increase the speed. You can reduce the speed. You can add some effects to it. If I add this effect, you see, you can also add this grayscale effect. You can add this, you can add this effect. I'll leave it at none. I'll go back. And you can add other scenes from here. And then when you're done, just click on download. And you can download it custom size. I'll just leave it to the original size. You can download it to your computer. And you can import it into any editing software. And you can also post it directly to Instagram from here. So when it's done, it's going to be downloaded to your computer and you can use it to do whatever you want. So in a nutshell, this is how you create free AI or explainer videos, animated explainer videos using Adobe Express. If you got any value out of this video, please give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe to my channel. God bless you. Peace.